Create and print custom on-demand product seals with DuraReady labels. We manufacture a plethora of labels that can be used to protect and seal your products. Our tamper-evident labels are ideal for prescriptions and other products that require label security. For quick organization, shipping, and inventory management, use our white and holographic polyester labels to seal your packages and provide visible product identification. On the creative side, you can also design custom and personalized labels for crafting party and event gift tags and goodie bag seals.